Hi viewers, here I am going to review another trending nail polish of 2020, that is Sally Hansen Color Therapy nail polish that is in blushed petal color. It is long lasting nail polish with gel shine and nourishing care. So start with our today's review. First, we discuss its pricing details, that is ranging from $1.8 to $6.7. You may ask any question before buying this product. Here is Color Therapy nail polish of Sally Hansen. 3 steps to take the salon at your home with color therapy. So here is 3 steps to apply this coat. Apply 1 coat of color therapy to clean dry nails. Allow to dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Apply second coat and allow to dry completely. Apply color therapy top coat for glossy shine and extended wear. Third step is finish with color therapy nail and cuticle oil for nails and cuticles for instant, healthier, rejuvenated looking nails. It contains argan oil to strengthen nails. It gives complete look for your beauty. Don't forget to use color therapy top coat for a glossy shine. It is available in 40 plus shades. Here is features and details of Sally Hansen Color Therapy nail polish. Color that cares while you wear. Sally Hansen Color Therapy nail polish gives your nails intensive nourishment for healthier looking nails. It is radiant color. Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure nail polish is available in 38 gorgeous colors to complement your day wear, work wear, evening wear, date night, little black dress, jeans and t-shirt, sundress, bikini, shorts and tank top, or any look. It is smooth as butter. With Sally Hansen's Color Therapy nail polish blushed petal, you will look fabulous, displaying a soft fawn like brown that is smooth and rich as caramel. Long lasting manicure, liqueur and lust. Here is product information of blush petal color. Item weight is 0.389 ounces. Manufacturer is Sally Hansen. Customer reviews has got 4.2 out of 5 stars. Bestsellers ranking is at 1057 in beauty and personal care and at 21 in nail polish. Here is ingredients of the nail color and directions to apply coats of nail color to clean or dry nails. Let's come towards customer question section. So here is first question, that why is this called color therapy? Does this actually improve the condition of your nails? So yes, it conditions and nourishes your nail. You can see these questions before buying this product. Another is this product water permeable? Does it allow water to pass through? So no, you need a high-end nail polish. If you want that, search water permeable nail polish on Google or on Amazon. Let's see another question. How do you remove this polish? Is this a gel polish? So reply is here, it is not gel, use regular nail polish remover. Let's come towards top reviews of the customers. Keeps my nails hydrated. I am in love with this nail polish with argan oil. If I use nail polish for any length of time, 4 weeks, my nails become dry and brittle, then I have to wait 2 to 3 months for my nails to heal before I can wear polish again. Sally Hansen's new color therapy doesn't do this. I have used this polish for about 6 weeks now. When I take off the polish to change the color, my nails look like they never had polish on them. Here is another review. Used with a nice base, top coat, really pretty, good for about a week without chipping. Colored as pictured, love it. Here is some dissatisfaction remarks. Top international reviews with some terrible remarks. However, there are some satisfaction from the customers as well. A vibrant and caring varnish, nice color. So here we end up with today's review of trending nail polish of 2020. You can get link in the description.